going on, guys? Long time since I've done a video. I've just been really busy with a lot of things. And before I start this video, we're creating a new channel, my wife and I. It's for her hobby and also my hobby, regards to baseball cards, football cards, and also she collects Funko Pops. She also does a side hustle as well. So I'll send you the link below, or you could check the link below and subscribe if you're into the collectible goods markets. I already talked to Don Harold about that earlier this year. Anyways, I wanted to look at marijuana and pot, and I believe that this industry or this sector is set to spike higher over the next months, and if that doesn't happen in the coming years. And the reason why I say that is if you look at a chart from last year, let's look at one of the popular pot stocks, Tilray Inc. On Yahoo, I saw the capitalization is about $2 billion. I can't confirm or deny it. Just going off their numbers. Anyways, you saw a huge reduction in the price of about 180 last year when my buddy was actually texting me about it. And I told him, "Oh man, I missed this huge move from like what, $20 to over 120 bucks or 180 bucks at one point." I tried buying put option on it. However, I couldn't buy it. TD Ameritrade did not have it at that time. But anyways, now we see prices crash down huge, and now we have to ask ourselves, why would this happen? I was discussing this with my buddy the other day. Could it be because of the vaping illnesses and deaths that have happened? Um, a lot of states are urging people not to vape, and you have Alibaba taking some of the products off of their websites, more regulations coming about. In this sector, it went up really fast and then it went down really fast. And now we have to look at, okay, it went through its bubble phase. What's going to go on in the future? Well, I have this map over here of states, and I'm over at what's the website called? DSA.com or DISA.com. And I'll show you the website right now. DISA. Anyways, you look at here, a lot of states now are becoming legal grounds for marijuana, meaning that you can legally smoke marijuana, use marijuana, and it's decriminalized, so you won't go to jail for it. And we have some of the other states with it as well. Let's go here. Nevada's fully legal, Colorado fully legal. My only concern, even though I tend to be libertarian on this, is that now people are going to use pot a lot more than they used to. And, if you're driving or you're on the job, people are going to probably not perform as well, or they may get into more accidents than in the past. My wife just recently got into an accident in May, and I'm just concerned that, she got dinged up pretty badly. And I'm just wondering, more people using pot, does that mean that they're going to have more types of accidents out there, especially with the youth who like using marijuana? And the marijuana right now is a lot worse than it was in the 1960s and 1970s. So also it poses some health risks if it's used in large amounts or in excess amounts. All right. But going back to Tilray, I did buy Tilray the other day. So just as a disclosure, I'm over at yahoo.com, and Tilray and Anheuser-Busch InBev, that's the parent company of Anheuser-Busch, they announced the next step in their partnership. So long story short, there's a joint venture between these companies called Fluent Beverage Company. It says it plans to commercialize non-alcohol CBD infused beverages in Canada. So, granted, it's in Canada. However, what I do like about this is that now you're starting to see, big corporations wanting to do business with, a company like Tilray. And once the negative headlines get out of the news with vaping, they're going to come with regulation. There's going to be lawsuits. There's going to be settlements. After all of that is thrown out the window, investors are going to be like, okay, where do we see the future in this? You know, States are going to legalize marijuana more and more as the years go by. There is a large liberal youth population in this country, which will probably push states to legalize more marijuana. And then other people will advocate, hey, it's good for medicinal purposes, for pain. Whether you agree with it or not, that doesn't matter. It's just what are the states going to do? So if the states legalize it, which I see, it's already happened in the state of Illinois. If you go back here, Governor Pritzker fully legalized it. So when you see stuff like that, you know, you're going to see more use of it, right? That's just basic economics, right? You legalize it, there's more of this available to the public. You're going to see more joint ventures between InBev and Tilray and companies like that. And I expect, more people to be buying stocks of pot. Could I be wrong? Sure. But this is just my opinion, guys. Let me know. And also subscribe to our new business channel. Or it's not a business channel, it's a hobby channel as well. We're called Rahili Collectibles. We do a side hustle. We sell baseball cards, we sell Funko Pops on the side. Nothing big now, but in the future, if we do get bigger, we'll definitely let you know. And, we'll do giveaways on that channel probably. Anyways, thanks for listening to me, and I'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.